TikTok friends. Here is where I find the Utah LDS Mormon Church's reasoning baffling when it comes to their support for the same-sex marriage, same-sex marriage federal law. If I'm correct in my understanding, a law is something that is in the thinking. For me, this is the nature of any law. We can see it and make sense of it in our thinking. And to support a law, for me, means that if we support a law for immigration, for example, that says let's welcome the migrants, it's because we want to welcome the migrants. And when the LDS Church says that they support a law that supports same-sex marriages, that's because they support same-sex marriages. But they don't, which is a contradiction. And when I say they don't, they still consider same-sex marriage sinful. So they only see this same-sex situation status in the thinking, but not in the living. If that makes sense. Sorry, I'm thinking in my native. I am going through this presentation in my Bantu language. If the English sounds weird, that's because I'm speaking in a Bantu English. So, if they can think in terms of this same-sexness only in abstract, and yet not perceive it in reality, we have a problem. Why am I saying they don't perceive it in reality? Because they still consider it a sin. Their argument would be coherent if they did not support the law. I'm not saying they should. I'm talking about the issue of coherence. And whenever we have a contradiction, we know it's a lie. They support a law that they can only see, I'm thinking in Bantu English, that they can only see in their minds, but one that cannot be lived on their grounds. That's a contradiction and it's a lie. I hope you're having a nice day, because I am.